Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram interactions and want to know how to delete story replies on the Instagram app for PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to remove old replies for privacy, organization, or just a fresh start, this guide will walk you through every step. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features and settings. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the main menu. Click on the menu icon. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar symbol. This menu gives you access to all the core areas of your Instagram account. From the menu, find and click on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of your interactions, making it easy to manage your activity all in one place. Inside Your Activity, look for the Interactions section. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent interactions, including likes, comments, and story replies. Now, click on Story Replies. This will open up a list of all the story replies you've made. If you want to delete specific replies, click the Select button at the top of the list. You can now go through and choose the replies you want to remove. If you want to delete several at once, simply select as many as you need. Once you've made your selections, look for the Delete option, usually at the bottom or top of the screen. Click on Delete, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm the deletion, and those story replies will be permanently removed from your account. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can keep your Instagram interactions tidy and under control. This updated process makes managing your story replies on PC quick and easy, so you can focus on the content and connections that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized Instagram experience.